Kelvin. Ethan's not here again. I wonder where he is. All right, what about number 1? Montez, what would I move first? The 11. Very nice. So I would subtract it, right? All right, so when I subtract it, what do I have left? 22. There you go. 10W plus 12W equals 22. Add 10 and 12. What's 10 plus 12? 22W. Now what? By? What do I divide by? 22 and W equals 1. There you go. Very nice. All right, number 2. Here we go. How many X's do you see? 2. So when you have 2 bases, you add. What's 9 plus 4? 13. There you go. So, okay? All right. So what about this one? All right, what fraction lies exactly halfway between? Okay, so I like to deal with decimals better. What? Take your calculator. You ready? Got your calculator?
Yes.
What is 2 divided by 3 as a decimal? Point something.
1.5.
No. 666 repeating, right? Okay. What about 3 divided by 4? 0.75. There you go. All right, so let's see which one. We got 0.6 and 0.7, right? Which one you want to start with?
G.
G? You want to do G? Okay. What's 5 divided by 6?
0.83.
83. So look, this is an 8, right? Is 8 between 6 and 7? No. All right, what else? 3 over 5? You want to do this one? Okay, what's 3 divided by 5? 0.6. So if I have 60 cents and I have 66 cents, does 60 come before or after 66? Before. That's not after, so that's not F. What other one you want to do? H. All right, what's 7 divided by 12? 0.5. Okay. 5 is before 6, right? I'm trying. You want to do K? Okay, what's 17 divided by 24? 0.70. Is that between 66 and 75? Yes, it is. There you go. Look at you go. Y'all okay? No. Come on. Okay, we're going to get some colors out today, and we are going to do a maze with exponents. Okay, do y'all know what a maze is? You got to work your way through to the end. You ever been to a cornfield maze or anything? During during October? Yeah? Alright, here we go. So if you've got some colors, get some colors out, because this is what we're doing right here. Let me make it bigger, smaller. Don't freak out. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Have you lost your mind? Are y'all done for playing? Alright, where should your name go? Guys, where should your name go?
Where it says name.
Where it says name. What's your name there? Yeah. Alrighty, here we go. We are going to start where it says start, right here. You ready? Okay, you are not doing all of these, guys, okay? This gives you two options. So if you get this answer, you're going to go this way. If you get this answer, you're going to go this way, okay? We're not doing all of these. Does that make sense? Okay, so here we go. What am I going to do first? My numbers. What's 9 times negative 9? No.
18.
Guys, since first grade, what's 9 times negative 9?
81.
No, it's not.
Negative 81.
Negative 81.
Okay.
All right, what about your x's? How many x's do you have? No.
1.
2. So what do I do to the little numbers? You add them. What's 3 plus 1? 4. So that narrows it down. Which one is it? There's only one of them that has negative 81x to the 4. So I'm going to color with my pencil or my color pencils or my markers. I'm going to color this one, right? Are y'all okay? Do you see how it makes an arrow? You see how it has an arrow? It's kind of squished. So where am I going next? I'm going to this one, right? All right. Negative 3 to the 4th is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. How much is that?
Uh,
81. Positive or negative?
Negative.
No, positive.
Positive? You sure? Both of you are saying different things.
I think it's positive.
It's positive? Okay, that means I'm not going to do this one, right? Because this one's negative.
Right.
Do you see the other two that it's pointing to? That are pointing straight to it? Look at these two. So I either got one of these two. Do you see how it's a maze? You're not doing all of these problems, guys, okay? It's a maze. All right, so we got one of these two. All right, what about my x? How many x's do you have? No.
We got 1.
You got one x. So what do I do to the 5 and the 4? Multiply. What's 5 times 4? 20. Does that narrow it down? Which one's got 81 and x to the 20? This one. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to color that in. Do y'all see how this works?
Yes.
You're not doing all of them. All right, so where is this one pointing to?
27.
The 27, right? So what's 27 times negative 3?
27 times.
Just like first grade. What's 27 times negative 3? Just like normal. Use your calculator. 27 times negative 3.
40,
Negative.
41. Negative 41.
Negative 81, people. Let's see. Does that, you see where it's going to? It's pointing to this one. That's negative 81. It's pointing to this one. Both of those are negative 81, right?
Yep.
All right, what else? How many x's do I have? 2. So what? 2. So what do I do to the little numbers?
You add
What's 1 plus 5?
6.
X to the 6. Does that narrow it down any?
Yes.
Yep.
The one on the
The one on the right. There you go. Do y'all see how this works?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to get my call. You're not doing all of them, no.
I'm saying you have to do the whole problem.
No, it's like multiple choice answers. You don't have to do the whole problem, but you got to do enough of it to be able to figure out where to go.
We need to write it down.
You need to write like I did, like enough to you can narrow down which one to do. Okay. All right. What about color pencils? Let me grab those real quick. Okay.